How to activate Google Maps dark mode on Android. Steps to enable dark mode in Google Maps on Android. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture or initial in the upper right corner. Step 3. Select Settings. Step 4. Tap Theme and choose one of the following options. Step 5. Always in dark theme, enable dark mode all the time. Step 6. Same as device theme, follow your device's dark mode settings. Step 7. Always light theme, disable dark mode. Step 8. Press Save to confirm your settings. For navigation only, Step 1. Open the Google Maps app. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture or initial in the upper right corner. Step 3. Select Settings. Step 4. Tap Navigation Settings. Step 5. Scroll down to Map View and choose from the following color schemes. Step 6. Day. Disable dark mode for navigation. Step 7. Night. Enable dark mode for navigation. Step 8. Automatic. Follow your device's dark mode settings for navigation.